Alright, I've now wandered into a forest. I'm just taking a walk here. Chugly the Ugly has his eye on you. There's a lot of interesting places. There's some at the back I missed. There was like a pig. And there's more of them over here. It's a pretty cool park. But yeah, so I went around like this area. I handed out my resumes. It's basically it. I mean, someone accepted my resume. Some places said they can't. They're not hiring. There's like a river here. Yeah, pretty interesting place. But yeah, I don't know if there's like a way to get to the bridge. If I can like go around it and then like get to the bridge. I'm not sure about that. But yeah, this is the park that's in the town. I never even said what town this is. This is Okotoks. Yeah, that's the town I'm in. It's nice here. I definitely enjoy it. It's better than my city that I live in. Over here is like just a bunch of logs broken everywhere. Trees. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see if I could maybe like go around and find a bridge, but if not, then I guess I'll just kind of make my way back. But yeah, I don't know. I'm supposed to get my paycheck, even though like I got fired. I still haven't gotten paid. I told my boss about that. He hasn't gotten back to me yet. We'll see. I hope I can at least get my like paycheck or whatever. Because he shipped it to me. And it was supposed to be like mailed to me probably in like a couple of days, but it's been a week already, so that's weird. But yeah.